Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's day 3. We got a little late start. It's 10:15, but we're gonna get up to the slope, so we're gonna try our hardest because we're all sore and tired, and yeah.
We'll make a good vid for y'all today.
I went down a new green which had some blue slopes, but it was fun. I only fell like 4 times when I wasn't using the whole thing.
It's only our 3rd day too. She's like a pro.
Sorry.
Oh!
Okay. Hurry up.
Gatorade, only for the best skiers.
Rowers. I got that.
Awesome. Now, did you lose a bet or you're just cool like that? Were you just cool like that?
What'd you say?
Did you cool like that or did you lose a bet?
No, it was really hot, so I took my pants off.
So you're just cool. That's what you said.
Yeah, I
I'm
guess.
just cool like that.
just cool.
I own that.
This is just my move.
That is awesome. I like that. That is just your move. That's pretty cool. Thank you for letting us take a picture. Yes.
No! Get the big one!
No!
Get him! Get him!
End of day 3. Heading back to the house.
Good day.
I don't know what we have in store again for the rest of the night.
Long
Hopefully
day,
we
good
actually film something more.
Instead of going to sleep.
And we got some car alarm going off over there, messing up my audio. But we're gonna spin it back to the house. See you there. We're back at home, showered. I think we
2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 of us showered. We're going to the ski shop I'm gonna grab a jacket, and Barrett's gonna get a half size lower in his boots.
Ski boots.
And sunscreen.
And sunscreen. I am burnt.
So yeah, we'll see you there.
Do you want to check it out in the mirror or are you sold?
I'm sold.
Okay. I lost.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy. Love it. Ooh.
Yo, pizza. I should have videoed you making your whole bowl of mac and cheese.
Yeah, we'll see. Pizza 2 days in a row.
All right, this is the end of day 3. Some reheated pizza, Thin Mints,
3 servings of mac and cheese.
and 3 servings of mac and
the
cheese.
whole box.
So we'll see you tomorrow at 8,
Been good.
maybe.